So hello guys, so good afternoon. So today guys, we're going to have tutorial video on how to use your Cyberlink Powerdirector as a video editor. So ito yung Powerdirector ko guys. But before that one guys, let's have some intro muna. So ito yung mga intros na nakuha ko na download ko sa placeit.net. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Xyzie.D. For the introduction. So ang gagawin natin guys is, because meron siyang watermark, we're going to use Cyberlink Powerdirector to erase the watermark. So ito ang gagawin natin guys. So, how to use your Cyberlink Powerdirector? First guys, you have here, if you open your Powerdirector, first thing you are going to do is you need to import your media. Example of those are your videos, your music that you are going to use. And if you are going to use music guys and upload it to YouTube, be sure that your music is not a copyright, because if it is a copyright music, so the YouTube, as you upload it, it will have a copyright claim, and you will not be able to monetize that video, or sometimes they will delete that video, or they will not let that video be on public. So that is guys. So first thing is you need to import media. So import media files or import media folders. Good. So example, import media files. So you need to find the folder where the videos that you want to use here guys. So video output, ito minsan ako dito ko nilalagay yung mga videos ko sa desktop para mas madali ko silang makita. Sa desktop ko nilalagay yung videos ko. So now, if you want to import, yan lang. Then the next one here sa left side, dito makikita natin ang mga different types of room. The project room, those are the finished project that you did, or those are the recent project that you did. We have also the effect room. The effect room, we have different effect. So kung titingnan natin, i-apply natin siya dito sa video. Then I'm going to play it. So para siyang blurry guys. Sa wifi natin ito, abstraction. So kung dadagdagan pa natin guys, yan, pwede pa yan siyang dagdagan. So mangyayari dyan guys, so yun, napaka-blurry. So mangyayari, you can control Z to undo, or you can put it edit, undo, or the shortcut is control Z. That is the shortcut, control Z, control Y, yan, control Z. So now guys, here are the different types of effects. You can choose there which one do you like. Next one room is we have the video overlay room. So you can put some videos to your work. Example, this one. So yeah. Pero dahil napaka laki niya guys, you can minimize that one by like that. How to minimize? Just click the timeline media, then lalabas itong ganito, then you can minimize that one. You can place that one anywhere you want. So it depends to you. Where do you want to place that one? So that is just an example guys, but we're not really going to put that one there, so delete muna natin. Next one, we have the particle room. So what are in the particle room? Yun yung parang mga effects din. Yan, parang umuulan. So example ito, nalagay natin siya, hindi siya pwedeng isapaw or i-overlay. Nalagay natin siya dito sa baba. So yun guys, yun yung effect na guys. So that is inside the particle room. So yun, parang may so next in the particle room is we have the title room. So in the title room, delete mo natin sa image. So you can put it there. You can also delete them one by one. Next is we have the title room. Title room is where you're going to put your title, just like that. So choose among the title. Kung saan gusto mo, meron tayong general, may tayong credit, and ganyan na yung mga galaw ng credit guys. Meron tayong sporty, yan yung galaw niya. So if you're going to apply that one, drag nyo lang guys, lagay nyo dyan. Then if you want to edit this one guys, you can double left click this one. So lalabas yung edit tab nya, yan. So you're going to click that one. Ito natin siya i-edit. Ito, title. So click mo yung title gusto mo. So sample. Yes, task guys. Nandito sa task guys, yung susulat yun. Yan. Then click natin yung next. So back title. Pwede natin yung edit dito guys. Text title. Yan guys, yun okay na natin. So let us see. Yun guys. That is for the title room. So you can choose among the three titles that are here. So yun guys, nag-lag siya. So next in the title room guys, we have the transition room. So in the transition room, ang gagawin mo, mamimili ka ng transition. So ilalagay mo siya sa video. For example, pwede dito sa end at sa start ng video. Ganyan. So pwede din siya dito guys, dito. I'm going to close this one. Yan guys. Try natin ang effect Para may gauge siya. Dito din guys. That is for the transition room. So next we have the audio mixing room. Gamitin audio mixing. Kung gusto mo mix ng audio mo, dito mo volume. Ito siya gagawin. Pwede kang voice over recording. So kung gusto mo mag-record ng voice while nag-play yung video, pwede yun guys. So, balik tayo sa media. So those are the simple tools guys na nandito sa Powerdirector. So after you are done guys with your timeline, nailagay mo na siya kung ano mga kailangan mo ilagay dito, nailagay mo na. So ang gagawin mo na ngayon guys is you're going to, so you can remove by right clicking the, if you want to produce it now guys, you can go to produce. So always use, or it's preferable to use the 0.264 because it's not so large guys when it comes to Mbps and the resolution. So search natin kung saan natin siya pwede save. So dito tayo. So katapos yun guys, click mo lang to. Pwede rin hindi, pwede rin i-click mo. Then you're going to start the rendering. So you're just going to wait for that one. So don't let this one bother you. Huwag mo itong i-click guys. So mangyayari nyan guys, matatakpan ng subscribe button yung part na may yung dito, yung basic part na may watermark. Sinadya ko yan guys para matakpan yung watermark nila. So hintayin lang natin yan guys. Pagkatapos yan, so it's finished guys. So let us open the file location. Edit natin ang video. So ito, all in ito. So yun. So that is how you are going to use Cyberlink Powerdirector guys. Madali lang siya kasi nababasa mo naman yun doon ang mga label niya. So hindi ka na mahihirapan. Then meron namang din mga instructions doon. So kung nagtataka kayo guys bakit yung subscribe button dito hindi nawawala, so sinadya ko siya guys para hindi makita yung watermark ng placeit.net. But this intro, I downloaded this one from placeit.net. Doon ko siya na download. So read it to this, the owner of that site, placeit.net. So if you want to subscribe to their website, you want to use intro maker sa kanilang website, you can subscribe by paying their subscription fee. So yan guys. So thank you for watching this short tutorial on how to use Cyberlink PWERDIRECTOR as your video editor. So madali lang yan guys. Just explore. Do not limit yourself. So ganun guys. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel guys, so the name of my channel is we have Dong YT TV. So these are the intro that I made using the place8.net. Okay guys. So thank you and God bless guys. Bye bye.